To adjust the sacrum, so if you could raise your bottom up now please, resting my hand onto the sacrum, rest down, give me all your weight. So my hand is directly on the sacrum, the tips of my fingers are at the lumbosacral junction and the base of my hand is at the apex of the sacrum. My other hand, for the direct technique, my other hand will go onto the L5 so that my fingers are virtually touching my other hand. My other hand is placed laterally with the spine going down the palm of the hand. So I'm going to distract the sacrum now. So what I do is I draw my lower hand down towards the feet with a gentle but constant and even motion. Very often what I will find is that there will be resistance on one side, but I'll keep that motion nice and steady until eventually the side that is resisting releases and the sacrum then feels much freer. And then when that's finished, just relax the hand. I can also do an indirect technique by feeling the flexion extension motion of the sacrum, and if that flexion extension motion is disturbed, to follow the disturbance to the still point, wait for still points to occur and feel the joint release. If there is a problem with the sacroiliac joint, I can then move the other hand over the pelvis so that by the elbow I'm contacting the ilium and the tips of my fingers are contacting the opposite side of the ilium. I apply some medial pressure which brings the anterior aspect of the ilium together, and the posterior aspect then flares out and releases the sacroiliac joint, and that allows the sacrum to float, and you can then indirectly adjust the sacrum and the sacroiliac joint. And then when you've finished, just gently take your hands out. Okay.